A student of class 4 won the inter-state taekwondo competition.
मैं दुनिया की बेस्ट सिंगर बनना चाहती हूँ।
दांत में कीड़ा लगा है ना, दर्द होता है वहाँ, मम्मी को ये कार्ड दिखाइएगा, ठीक है। इस जगह पे आकर आपका पूरा ट्रीटमेंट फ्री हो जाएगा, ठीक है। और बेटा ये टूथपेस्ट और टूथपेस्ट
तुम्हारा टर्न। मुझे दुनिया का बेस्ट इन्वेंटर बनना है।
कवि अपने भाई से आग्रह कर रहा है, उसको बुला रहा है।
किसने किसको मारा बताओ?
इसने मेरे को पहले मारा, ये रोज मेरे को मारता है।
रोज मारता है। आयुष तुम बताओ, तुम इसको क्यों मारते हो? सौरभ तुम 2 मिनट बाहर निकलो। अब तुम मुझे बताओ कि तुम क्यों इसको रोज मारते हो?
मुझे पुलिसमैन बनना है।
पुलिसमैन? पुलिसमैन का काम मारना नहीं होता बच्चों को, समझते हो तुम? तो आगे से हम सौरभ को नहीं मारेंगे, है ना? अब बाहर जाके सौरभ को सॉरी बोलो, ओके?
सॉरी। मुझे इस दुनिया का बेस्ट पुलिस ऑफिसर बनना है। ऑल राइट। क्या हुआ? मेरे को दुनिया का बेस्ट पेंटर बनना है। हमारी क्लास कहाँ है? बेस्ट टीचर बनना है। मुझे दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा प्रेसिडेंट बनना है।
मैं तुम्हारे साथ यही रुकती हूँ।
खुली आंखों से बचपन में एक सपना देखा था जो आज साकार हुआ है, और वो सपना था एक ऐसे एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट की स्थापना करना जिसमें प्रिविलेज्ड, अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड बच्चों में किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं दिखे।
We are giving education with a difference. What today's parents want is they don't want to send their children to a government school. They want a school which will give their children quality education and English education, which has become the key word today's time.
We give them the best education in an English medium, which is free of cost, free books, free meals, free clothes, free uniforms.
आज हम जो अपने बच्चों को दे रहे हैं उसमें हम उनको टाइकोंडो भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर भी दे रहे हैं, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट भी सिखा रहे हैं, म्यूजिक भी सिखा रहे हैं, और सबसे बढ़कर हम उनको एक मॉरल एजुकेशन दे रहे हैं जिसमें नेगेटिविटी नहीं हो, सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी हो।
Honestly, I've been educated at a public school and I would never give a shot at something I have no clue about. I mean, these kids are ready to take on anything. Math sums, English, public speaking, theater. I mean, it's wonderful to see kids who are so uninhibited.
I don't see difference in the way the kids are absorbing knowledge, the fun that they have in school, the activities, the way they participate in them. That level is the same.
I can safely say that, in certain subjects like maths, our children are just amazing. Their maths is just at par, if not better, than, the children from private schools.
Recently, the kids were tested on a Presidium paper. Presidium is a private school. And the kids did really well in math.
We must remember that they are first generation learners and they know that whatever they do, whatever little they can do is going to benefit their families in a manner which is going to be very, very impactful.
When I see models like these, which are meant for poor children, giving them good quality education, and not just literacy, but moving beyond literacy. Because what I saw over here in this short span of time was that it was like a holistic development of a child.
Our goal was to not only make them literate, but to become useful citizens of the country, more human in nature, where they could reach out to others like them, be empathetic, and show their feelings towards the lesser privileged like them.
One of the major objectives of Gunjan Foundation is to help the children here realize their dreams. If you talk to these children, they will all tell you one thing, that they want to be better, in a better situation than they are today. They all will tell you they want to be something that their parents are not, which is they want to be either an engineer, they want to work with computers, they want to sit in a nice office, they want to drive cars. So all of them have dreams.
What they basically, a lot of them want, as I understand, is a life of dignity.
Quality education is a right we all deserve. And to take that right for granted when a certain section of kids is completely deprived is very unfair. One important conclusion that I drew from my time here at Gunjan was that there isn't a scarcity of resources. They're just unevenly distributed. It's time for us that we all came together and give each of these innocent dreams like Gunjan a helping hand.
जब बच्चा चलना सीखता है तो उन्हें दो हाथों की ज़रूरत होती है, एक सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है। हम भी उसी अवस्था में हैं, उसी स्टेज में हैं, एंड वी नीड एवरीवन सपोर्ट मैं आप लोग सभी लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि आप जो किसी भी रूप में हमें अपना सपोर्ट दें, योर विजन, योर टाइम, एंड ऑफ कोर्स लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट मनी.
I feel that the kind of work which Gundan Foundation and organizations like these do definitely need helping hands from many, so that it's a sustainable venture and doesn't keep struggling, to find resources for a good cause.
Every dream needs a helping hand.
Every dream needs a helping hand.
Every dream needs a helping hand.
Every dream needs a helping hand.